Alright, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you three most important equipment you need for your YouTube channel. Okay, the first and the most important equipment you need is your camera, right? But this time you don't need to go and buy a new camera because you may not be able to afford the money. It's very expensive. But if you can get an iPhone has a very nice quality camera. But if you don't have an iPhone, that your Android phone can even serve for beginner, right? But if you have the money to get an iPhone, I would recommend to get an iPhone 8 Plus at least. iPhone 8 Plus at least. But if you have money, if you have like around 150 to 180,000, so like okay, 150 to 200,000, you get an iPhone 8 Plus with 256 gig. Okay, that is around the range of, or maybe 64 gig, depending on how much you have. Okay, but if you have less than that, but you can look for somebody. You can actually buy a second-hand one actually, right? That is okay, but you know that this second-hand stuff always there is a problem in it. But so just save up your money and get an iPhone 8 Plus at least. At least the camera is okay. If you check all my videos, all my maths videos, my maths teaching videos, I used an iPhone 8 Plus to shoot it, and it's very, very bright. The camera is sharp. Okay, but if you have from 200,000 and above to maybe 300,000, 250, from okay, let's say from 250, please don't get an iPhone X. If you already have an iPhone X, you can shoot with it. But if you don't have it, don't buy iPhone X. Rather buy XR. XR has a very wonderful camera. Okay, XR is very okay. XR is around 250 to 300,000. You can get 64 gig, 128 gig. Please, if you are buying, buy a higher gig if you have the money. Yes, though the normal 64 gig is okay, but buying 128 gig as a content creator or 256 gig as a content creator will help you. Why? Because you wouldn't want to delete a previous video before doing another one, because it will get to a point that your video will choke. Then the memory will be filled up. Anytime you want to do video, you have to delete a previous video to do a video. So that is the first one. You need a good camera. An iPhone is a good camera. iPhone 8, even your iPhone 6 is very nice to use if you already have and you don't have money to buy another one. But if you do, I recommend you buy from 8 Plus and above. 8 Plus, XR, SS Max has a very nice camera, 11 and the rest. This particular video I'm shooting with iPhone 11. All right, as you can see, I have iPhone 13. As you can see, I have iPhone X SS Max. Then this one just got broken. Then I have 8 Plus. The 8 Plus is inside. That is what I use to shoot my video most of the time. Why? Because the 8 Plus has higher gig. It has 256 gig. So that's what I use most of the time. Okay, that's what I started with before I got these ones. Now this one is just, I think, 128 gig. Sometimes I don't use it in shooting. Yes, I use it in it's my wife's phone. So that's it. iPhone 13. This 13, that's my wife's phone. Then I have my Android phone. Why you need an Android phone is because of your editing. Maybe you want to do screen recording. I edit with my iPhone anyways, but for my screen recording, I use my Android phone. Why? Because you can download X Recorder. It's a very nice recorder. In the next video, I'll teach you how to use that X Recorder. All right, so that is the first thing you need. An Android phone for your screen recording, then iPhone for your shooting and editing. Editing on iPhone is very, very nice. Okay, now I'll be teaching you how to edit as well. Now the next most important thing you need to have is the tripod stand. A tripod stand, I'll be showing you the picture on this video because that's what I'm using to shoot. That's what you use in holding your phone, so that you will not look for somebody that you Nkechi, please come and help me and hold my phone and shoot me. No, you don't need anybody to hold your phone for you. The tripod will hold your phone for you. All right, and tripod is not expensive. It's around the last time I asked the price, they told me 20,000, but I did not price. But last year I bought it for 15,000 naira last year at Enugu. If you're in Enugu State, you can go to, I recommend this woman that stays opposite stadium. Maybe I'll drop her number for you if it's necessary. I'll ask her anyways. If She's going to drop her number. She sells very cheap, very cheap compared to elsewhere I've checked. And she have every equipment you need for. In fact, her shop is just content creating. Camera, laptop, tripod stand, mic, blah blah blah, anything you need, light. So the second thing you need is a tripod stand. Once you have these two things, you already have your phone. So just save up 20,000 or 18,000, go to a shop, buy your tripod stand. Content has started for the meantime. Then the next thing you buy when you have money is you buy your mic. This is my mic. This is my mic. That's what I'm using now. All right. But if you don't have money for mic, just buy this one. I love this one. This one is very okay. This one has a port for both iPhone, both an Android phone, that is Type C, and it has even a laptop port. You can connect your laptop to this one if you want to do video with your laptop. So this one is very okay. So it's green in color. The name is Green Lion. Very nice. This thing. Okay, now thank you very much. This is a tripod stand. This is the image of a tripod stand. It holds your phone while you connect your mic, and then you start your video. Then as you are growing, if you now have more money, you can now get a light. I'm using light for this video, an artificial light. This is an artificial light I got from the same woman. She sold it for me 45,000 with the stand 5,000, making it 50,000. Very cheap. Before I bought it, I checked the price on Jumia. I was seeing only the light 55,000, 60,000. The least I saw was 55,000, but she gave it to me 45. Then with the stand 5,000, that is 50. All right, so you can get it if you have money. But as a beginner on YouTube, all you need is just a tripod stand and then an iPhone. Why I say that an iPhone is because iPhone captures sound more than any other phone. If I decide to remove if I decide to remove my mic and talk, you will hear me clear. Okay, let me even do it. Let me remove my mic. Permit me to remove my mic. I've removed my mic, and I know you can hear me clearly. For you to see that an iPhone has this very strong mic, it captures sound very well. All right, but the work of this mic is that it denoises, it reduces background noise. But iPhone will capture everything. That is iPhone for you to capture both the background noise, everything. So, but mic will reduce because of this filter there. It will only capture your voice. If there is a background noise, it may capture it very little or may not even capture it at all. So that is why you need a mic. That is when you have started growing. But if not, just a tripod stand, so that you don't need. But if you have somebody, maybe a friend that can be shooting you, and you don't have money for the tripod stand, you can start with him. He will turn to your tripod stand. So I hope this video is very helpful. Please encourage me by just clicking that subscribe button if you have not subscribed. If you're a new person on this channel, this is your first time of seeing me, just click on that subscribe button. Like this video so that YouTube will recommend it with other people, to other people. Then comment. Just tell me, give me a nice comment. I love you. Stay tuned. We'll always grow together in this YouTube page. Don't forget that YouTube pays, and it will pay you if you decide to start today. There is no time that is too late to start. Today is a very nice day to start. Start your own YouTube channel. I want to subscribe and see what you can do on YouTube. Bye bye.